Hi friends, a very warm welcome to each and everyone. Thank you for stopping by and watching. So today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful and cute little star ornament, okay, for our Christmas tree decorations. So I will cover each and every detail in how to make it. It's very simple and very easy, and you can use any yarn. Okay, now for making this ornament I use DK 3 weight yarn, 3 lightweight, so you can definitely take any yarn. Okay, so it's just a tiny little bit you will need, and then the hook I used is 4 mm. Okay, so DK weight yarn 4 mm. If you're going to for a different yarn, just take the recommended hook and it's okay. And then I need yarn needle and scissor, and that's all. And the bead is optional. If you want, you can add it or you can skip it. So with all these things ready, let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start by making a cinch circle, and in this circle we are going to chain 2. Now this chain 2 does not count anything, okay, just for the height. Now we are going to put 15 double crochet in this circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I have put 15 double crochet. Let's make sure we have 15. Don't count the chain 2, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now we are going to pull the tail to close the circle this way. Now we are going to go on top of the first double crochet, not in the chain 2, but on top of the first double crochet and slip stitch to join. Okay, chain 1. Now for this second round we are going to put in the very first stitch here where we did a slip stitch, 1 single crochet and 1 half double crochet, all in one stitch. In the next stitch it will be 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, chain 2, 1 treble crochet back in the same place. Okay, in that very one stitch we are doing everything in that very one stitch, 1 double crochet, so that in that one stitch we have 4 stitches. So we have 1 double, 1 treble, 1 treble and 1 double. Okay, then next stitch we are going to put 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet. Okay, so this is the one corner. So we used 3 stitches, so one part of the star will include 3 stitches. In one first stitch, 1 single crochet and 1 half double crochet. In the second stitch, 1 double, 1 treble, 1 treble, 1 double, so altogether 4 stitches. And in the third, 1 half double and 1 single. Okay, now we are going to go in the next 3 and continue the same thing. So the very first stitch here will get 1 single, 1 half double crochet. The next stitch will have double crochet, treble crochet, chain 2, then we go back, one treble and one double. Okay, now we go in the next, one half and one single. So you're going to continue the same pattern all the way around. So here I finished all the 5 corners. Now you're going to go into the first single crochet and slip stitch to join, chain 1, and now we can snip the yarn. Okay, pull it out, cinch it tight, and just move the spaces here of the star replicate, and you're done. Okay, now you can keep the star as you like. Even if you want in this way, you can keep it, but we are going to put one border. But first we are going to weave in the tails. Okay, so here we have finished sewing all the ends and our star is here. So this, you can use it how it is, or if you want you can use the border. So we are going to use the border. Okay, so you can choose any color. Now you take any corner, you're going to count 1, 2 and 3. In the third stitch, insert your hook. Okay, now grab the color you want to put for the border, make a slip knot, place it on the hook, pull it through, chain 1 and single crochet in that same place. Okay, so that's one single crochet. Now you have to put 2 single crochet in 2 remaining stitches. So 1 and 2. Okay, so we have here 1, 2, 3 single crochet, and now we have this point. In this point we are going to put 2 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet in that point. Okay, so every point gets 2 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet. Now we are going to put 3 single crochet in 3 different stitches, starting from very first stitch here. Okay, on top, 1, then 2, and the third one here. Okay, don't worry, it will be all okay once we have done. So, okay, once you finish putting 3, 4 and 5, next 2 stitches will be a decrease. So you're going to go insert it, grab a loop, go insert your hook in the next stitch, grab a loop. So you'll have 3 loops, and yarn over and pull through all. So 4 and 5 will be decrease, and then we have 3 again. So 1, 2 and 3, then the point comes, 2 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet. Okay, so we have got 2 points. Now the same you have to go to the side. So 3, then 4 and 5 will be a decrease, then 3, then the point. Okay, so here it goes, 1, 2 and 3, and 4 and 5 will be a decrease. So 2, stitches together, a decrease here, and then 3 again. 1, 2, and 3, and the point. Now continue that all the way till the end, and I will see you at the end. Now here I have last 2 stitches remaining. Okay, so I'll just decrease them. How we decrease all and pull through. And now here I'm going to pull the yarn. You can just go and slip stitch and finish this round, but here as after just pulling through the decrease, I just pull the yarn out. Okay, I didn't do any chain one or any slip stitch. I cut the yarn and I pulled it out. Now I'm grabbing my yarn needle. Okay, and this is what we are going to do so that it looks even. Okay, so we have here our first stitch here, first single crochet, grabbing from going from front. I'm going to grab the V of the single crochet, pass it through and like this, then come, and this is the last V here. So I'm going to go from here and try to grab 2 loops. See, one here and one is at the down. Okay, even if you grab 1 loop, it's okay, just go through it, and that creates the continuation V. Okay, so it is looking like it is continued, no slip stitch, and you're good to go. And then you just weave in at the back here. Okay, weave in the tail. Okay, okay, so here is our star ready, but you will see it's so wonky. So what we are going to do, lay it flat and pull each point out. Okay, pull the points out in this way. Okay, just press it firmly to give a weight, or you can just block it, okay, with steam block it or wet blocking it, and they will remain very firm, and you have your star ready, right? So what we are going to do at last is just grab just this much of yarn, just snip it. Okay, put a knot at the ends. Okay, here. Now you can go at the chain to here, any point, just go pull it through, nice and high, and there you go, you have got your hanging. Now if you want, you can decrease it, increase it as you wish. Okay, so the star is ready, but I'm going to do one more thing, is adding a bead. So I'm going to add this bead here. So I have the color here matching slightly. I'm going to use the fabric glue. Now you can use your sewing needle and thread and sew them. but I'm going to use glue. Just give it time to dry. Okay, and it's ready. So what you have to see, so I tried with the red color, you must have seen in the thumbnail. So with the red color, you can use any color, whichever you like. So the border can be any color, okay? And the beads, not necessarily the same one. You can use any one, whichever you like. So here our cute star is ready. So I hope you enjoyed making this star as much as I did, and hope to have a beautiful holidays. So I'll see you soon with something new and something fun on this channel. Till then, take care and bye bye friends.